All right, this video we have some 4 items from Amazon. So let's get into it. All right, I was going to get the camera down to show you, but I'm just going to hold the stuff up, right? First, we got a Nico 2-pound dead blow hammer. Not sure if I have one of these. I know I don't have a Nico one, but I don't know if I have one this size. It's possible. Now I got another one, if I didn't. Got a grease gun. And of course, I'm going to get everything out of the package and show you. We got some Craftsman V-Series wrenches. These are pretty awesome. And some extra deep Astro sockets. Let's get these packages open and get into it, right? Okay. First up, I'm going to show you the grease gun. Now, I had a grease gun that had a hose on it. It wasn't the pistol grip kind, though. It was the one you got a big old handle, long handle on it. But I think I had a pistol grip one too. One had the hose on it, and one had a bent pipe like this on it. I loaned a friend of mine that's no longer a friend now, one of them, or maybe even both of them, and he never gave them back, I guess, because I can't find them. Anyway. Got a pretty good long hose on it, and it has a kind of like the Lock and Lube. Hopefully it's not that brand, but hopefully it'll work just as good. Now I got this for the riding mower and whatever else I need to grease, right? But the riding mower is starting to make a noise on the jack shaft, so might need to put some grease in there, right? Comes with a straight bar and that kind of tip. Comes with a regular tip. You can put on any of them, I suppose, or the hose. And it comes with another tip, just like it, on the bent bar. I may put the bar on it and use it instead of the hose. I don't know. We'll see when I use it. Guess what I used to tighten all this stuff up on this grease gun? The Craftsman wrenches. Now this is the 13. I used the 13 and the 12. I have to say, they are funky looking, but I like them. Now, I thought they had the teeth in the opened end, but as you can see, they don't. But that's fine. I got the icons for that, right? Let's just see, compare them to a regular wrench. If I can find a regular wrench, get the right drawer. What is that, a 13? This is the icon. And we'll do a 13 Craftsman. And a 13 Snap-on. Now this is it compared to an old USA made Craftsman Professional. This is a 13, this is a 13. As you can see, it is a lot shorter. So that might not be a good thing. The Craftsman is almost the same size as the Icon. let's see, this is the icon against the, let me turn around where you can see the names, against the new Craftsman V series. A little shorter. That's not really good, but whatever. And here's a snap-on. Look at that. You see all that rust? Just from sitting in the drawer. Actually, this is, I never did get it off. This is for when I had it laying down in the drawer on that drawer liner. Now they're sitting up on a wrench rack. Kind of weird. Anyway, to show you the Craftsman compared to the snap-on. Wait, let me get my fingers out of the way where you can see it is a snap-on Craftsman. They are a little on the short side, ain't they? Let me get them back in the holder. Now they only go in this holder one way, because I tried it both ways. And it don't really hold tight. Move one way. I don't know if you can see that. Here's the holder. All you do is just pull up on it and take it out. And it hooks in there on the open end and then just pushes down. The holder's cool. Wish you could get the holders without wrenches. That way you can use them on your own wrenches, right? But then again, if the end is not bent right, it may not fit. Who knows? But here's the, what is this? The 18. Let's compare it to a regular 18. Again, an icon and a snap-on. I mean a Craftsman. Top is the icon. Bottom is the Craftsman. Icon is a lot longer. And here's the Craftsman, the old school Craftsman Professional USA. USA. Anyway. So, well, this one is marked backwards from that one. Anyway, whatever. It is what it is, I guess. It's a lot longer too. Never hurts to have different length wrenches, right? You never know when one will get in a spot and one won't. These are awesome. I gotta say, they feel really good in the hand. Hopefully they're gonna work out good. Don't know if I'm gonna leave them in my toolbox or put them in my truck. We'll see. Let's see, do I got them all in there? Yes, I do. All right. Next up, we have the deep sockets. Now, obviously, you can see down here on this end by me, one's missing. It's because I got it out, sitting out. This is a standard length snap, well, it's a deep, but it's a regular deep snap-on socket. I don't know if you can see it say snap-on or not on there. Regular deep, extra deep. These are going to come in handy. Especially like if you're doing leaf spring bolts where the bolt sticks way down past the nut. These should get in there on it. These are going to come in handy a lot. So, oh wait, we got one more thing. Nico dead blow hammer. Now I will say, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but right there, it almost looks like it's about to break, and I ain't even used it yet. Like it's coming apart. I don't know, maybe that's where they filled it up at. Who knows? We'll see. Hopefully it's got a lifetime warranty if it does mess up, right? I'll send that sucker back and get another one. And if you want to pick up any of these tools, like always, go to my Amazon store. These tools will be in hand tools. I'm not sure where the grease gun is at. I think I might have it in miscellaneous or something. But just look around, you'll find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.